NOOSA. Not your everyday destination, not your everyday classroom. Step outside everyday workshops and dive into nature.
The best thing about going to school in NOOSA is definitely the location of where we are. We like to include going places that we have in our local area, taking school to the beaches and just the general environment.
I do a lot of arts subjects. We'll often go up to the national park and have nature days where we sketch or find inspiration from our natural surroundings.
So if you're visiting with your groups, workshops, conferences and team building, you can do something inside your hotel or your conference facility. 5-minute walk, you're at the beach. 5-minute walk in another direction, you're visiting a national park, doing some great team building exercises, and of course you've got an amazing selection of local restaurants.